It's in Midtown. So it's pretty wild. For that, they put shops. You can access in any staircase on several blocks. So people go there. I go there with my family. You go there, you walk up. You have a good view of the city. You go down to the street. You get yourself lunch, drink, and back up and walk. It's pretty nice.
Nice.
So it's an old, dead trail, dead railroad track that they made into a walk. It's very nice.
Very nice.
Up in other areas, they have rail trails. So you take the rail. It's not used to take bicycles and running, but this is nice to walk.
Okay.
If you're in Jersey, it's free. That's the best part.
Nice. Thank you.
They do the old track. It's not being used. The Highline. I think the best place to pick it up is 30th and 10. 31st and 10. I usually go on 34 and 10 and walk south. Yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty nice. It's nice here. You just see the old track and you think, wow. Okay. What's your first name?
Ron.
Ron?
Ron.
Joey. Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Joe.
I'm one of the supervisors, so I'm with the FDA.
I'm the visitor.
Oh, very nice.
My channel, the same side.
Okay, so you alright, very good. Now, you get me on there. Camera adds 10 pounds. See what you do. You make it look like you. Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Like I said, if anybody comes by, you just tell them that you're filming. The railroad shouldn't give you a hard time because you're not on the track.
Yes, we do not. Only safety makes.
Next year you come back, that tunnel will be done, that tunnel will be done, and this will be closed. It's going to close just across the wall. I was hoping to see it's all banged up. Oh, you did. On that one? Very good, very good. Nice to meet you. Enjoy your stay.
Nice to meet you too. Have a nice day.
Take care, you too.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, thank you for watching this video. You will find exclusive Dutch Train Channel videos on 24trains.com and all the amazing Dutch Train Channel merchandise you get on teespring.com. We upload 2 videos every day. Do you want to be part of it? Subscribe to my channel and stay up to date.